Hello, this is Partydude17 with another video for your face, Partydude17 style, and today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. Apparently there's a popular genre on YouTube called Mukbang. Now, to be honest, I'm not really into Mukbang, but they are popular for some reason. So I'm going to attempt to do a mukbang video. I'm going to be eating Life cereal with some water. Life cereal is my favorite cereal. And no, this is not sponsored by Quaker Oats. I just legitimately love this cereal. I'm probably not going to do this thing regularly, mostly because mukbang can be extremely detrimental to your health if you are doing mukbang videos, and also because I don't want to end up like Nikocado Avocado. Now, I have nothing against Nikocado Avocado, it's just that he's been going through some hard times for the past couple years, and I've heard online that his mukbang diet might be frying his brain, and that's why he's been acting strange for the past couple years. This is some pretty good cereal. It's currently 2 p.m. and I am watching iCarly while eating Life cereal and drinking water. Oh yeah, I should probably mention that, I drink a lot of water. I drink like several bottles of water in a day. I don't know if that's healthy. I mean, it's definitely not like drinking several bottles of soda in a day, but, you know, too much of anything can be unhealthy. By the way, do you like my long and luxurious hair? "2020 as a year has pretty much been going to shit. Yeah, 2020 is a really horrible year. To be honest, it feels like an apocalypse. Oh yeah, I'm doing this video ironically. I don't know, maybe it will be successful. Probably not. Also, the reason why I'm eating cereal straight from the box and not with any milk is first off because I'm allergic to dairy, and second off I'm too lazy to get a bowl. Yeah, this video is pretty much just several minutes of me talking while eating cereal. There's still some cereal left in here, but I'm gonna save this for later. But anyway, that was my attempt at mukbang. Partydude out.